Let's get straight to it. 2007 Volkswagen Jetta. This is the 2.5 liter engine. Today I am changing the blower motor fan, and this is what your part should look like. To do this job, we're gonna have to come to the passenger side here. And if you pull this piece here down a little bit on the right side, you can easily see this is your blower motor right here. So this is one of the easiest blower motor jobs you ever do. So you see the harness right there. That's to be disconnected, of course. So this tab is what keeps this from going that way. So if you flip this down, then you can turn your fan just like that. Let's go ahead and disconnect this first so we can just do this right now. So let's disconnect this harness. All right, now, so we move this tab over that lip. So let's finish turning this fan, and all right, so here is the old blower motor fan, and this is the new one. So again, what I did, so once this tab here is pulled down, you could turn this to the right, and it will free these tabs here, kind of like a headlight bulb, and then you can pull this straight down. You may have to work this out a little bit to get it out, and then you may have to work the new one in a little bit because it won't go straight directly up. You have to kind of angle it to get it in, and you'll get this in the same way you got the old one out. So you put this up in there, and then once you get it up, you'll turn it to the left counterclockwise until it clicks in, and then this piece is locked back in again. And of course, after that, we'll plug our harness back in. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so that's what it looks like without the fan. So let's go ahead and get this fan back in here. All right, so we got the new one up. As you can see, we got that tab locked in. Now let's go ahead and push this harness into our new part. All right, and believe it or not, guys, that is it. Our fan is connected. Let's put this cover back on. Just put right over these holes here. All right, guys, that is it. That's how you change your blower motor in a 2007 Volkswagen Jetta 2.5.